Email Marketing 101. Why you should be using email marketing? This doesn't sound fair, but the money is in the list. The email list should be a huge part of your campaign. You can either buy leads from lead brokers or you can build an organic list by using clients that make contact with you. The idea is that your customers will become potential leads for future sales. And how you achieve this is to put an opt-in box on every page of your website/blog. It's very simple to do, and very effective. You want to create a system where when a visitor goes to your site, they get the opportunity to opt in. What is the opt-in box then? It is a box where they agree to receive some information from you. That is what you want. You want a database. You don't really need to have a whole website full of messages. But you do need to have a system where you can send them information in the future. What this does is it provides you a way to stay connected to your leads so that you can potentially produce future sales and income. Do you know how you can collect this information? You can start out with some information from your website. You should include a form. At bare minimum, you must have a form on the homepage. But for the best results you should include forms on the rest of your site as well, as long as it makes sense. This will allow you to capture a name and email address, creating a database of potential buyers. Which in turn will allow you to be able to start marketing to your visitors with future offers. Start collecting as much information as you can from your site. With this information you can begin to have this ongoing relationship with your visitors, which may possibly boost your bottom line. So, to create this system where you can send email communications to your visitors and receive email communication from them, you will need a good email service provider. 4 of the best email service providers in the market today are Aweber, Bluehost, ConvertKit, and GetResponse. If you are thinking about trying to make money online, email marketing is essential. Email marketing is the most effective way to gain and keep customers. Now, once you have established your money-making database of potential customers, watch your sales soar exponentially. The more people that you can get on your email list, the more sales you will receive. Money, money, money. To learn more about the email service providers mentioned in this video, the links are in the description below.